In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document using Pandadoc. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newbie, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can get your documents sent out with ease and confidence. So let's dive straight in. First things first, open your web browser and log into your Pandadoc account. If you're not yet familiar with the login process, just head over to the Pandadoc website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. On the left side of the screen there's a handy menu, and the next step is to find and click on Documents. It's like your central hub for all your document activities. Now once you're in the Documents section, look towards the top left of the page and you'll see a button labelled Plus Document. Go ahead and click that to start creating a new document. You'll be presented with a couple of options. You can either choose to employ one of your existing templates, which is great for consistency and efficiency, or if you have a specific document ready to go, you can simply upload it. This flexibility ensures you can customize each document to suit your needs perfectly. Once you've chosen your starting point, it's time to get into the details of your document. You can add content or fields exactly where you need them. For instance, if your document requires signatures, you'll want to include signature blocks. Pandadoc makes this part quite intuitive, allowing you to drag and drop various fields easily. With your document all set up, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Send button. But before you get too ahead of yourself, take a moment to consider whether you want to rename your document. This step is optional, but it can be quite useful in keeping your files organized or adding a personalized touch. Next, it's time to add your recipient. Enter their name and email address carefully. Double check this information to avoid any mistakes that could delay your process. Once that's done, simply click on Continue to proceed. Optionally, you can add a message for your recipient. While this step is not mandatory, it's a great way to convey additional context or instructions related to the document you're sending. It adds a personal dimension and clarity, especially in business communications. Finally, you're ready to send your document. Click on Send Document, and that's it. Your document is now on its way to the recipient. By following these steps, sending a document via Pandadoc is not only straightforward, but also incredibly efficient. Keep practicing these steps and you'll become a Pandadoc pro before you know it. Thanks for watching and happy document sending.